Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to .NET Techie. I'm Deep Gautam. So it's time to learn something, another important concept. In my previous video, I have explained you what abstraction is, what encapsulation is, and what is aggregation and what is association. So these are the basic concepts of object-oriented programming. And when I say object-oriented programming, it can be the .NET or Java or any other .NET or any other programming languages. But the concept is same, definition is same, and almost demonstration or the coding pattern is also same. How we can write these concepts. Or definitely if you have been doing the programming for the many years, definitely you have been using this concept. So if you haven't watched them, kindly watch and understand the concept. And this video series I have created for the quick brush up of your interview. So just go through the video which you like and understand the concept. So I have tried to demonstrate the concept theoretically and practically for you guys. So let me tell you in this video what composition is in object-oriented programming. And here is my example of the composition. So composition, what definition is? First try to understand what is theory about composition. Then try to understand what is the practical about composition, where we have implemented it or where we can implement it. So when interviewer asks the questions from you about any concept, that does not mean that he is expecting only theory to be explained. He is expecting tell him what is the theory, what is the practical, where you have used it. And it's always good for you guys, whatever the project you have written in your resume or CV, just try to explain the concept and tell them the scenario how you have used that concept in your project. What was the scenario behind that? So here, let me tell you, composition is a special type of aggregation. In my previous video, what aggregation is, I have explained it. That's why I have came up with all the interrelated videos and I'm trying to explain it and everything. So it's a kind of aggregation. You understand? Aggregation is what? It's a interrelation, association of the object. In this case, a dependent object cannot survive without its container. That's so-called composition. And you might have already done this programming language, but whenever an interviewer asks this question, you might not be able to answer this question perfectly. Let us try to understand this with this example. Let's say I'm having one class called engine. So car is basically having engine. So engine is let me I have given normal property. Let's say engine is having ID or some kind of number, identification number, or engine is having some kind of name, turbo, this, that, or whatever engine is there in the car. And we are having one class called car. So car is one main class. Inside that we are having one class called engine. So if we will destroy the car, engine is already gone. So there is no use of engine. So if your car met with an accident in a such a way where car is destroyed. So when we say car is destroyed, that means we are the garbage collector has been called for this car object. Once garbage collector has been called for the car object, there is no existence of the engine. So that's in my theory terms. If we will destroy the car, engine is no more useful or engine is no more exist. That's called the composition. So these concepts you can interrelate with your project and try to explain them earlier. It is going to be the quite impressive and you must know. If you don't know, it's to give bad impression to the interview. If you don't know what is abstraction is, what is encapsulation is, what is aggregation is, what is composition is, what is association is. So this whole video series is about these basic questions and I will be coming up with some more videos, and if you are interested you could have watched on my playlist and check out useful for a video for you. I'm sure definitely you are having everything in your mind, and if you want to brush up any concept or if you are interested to make some project in Angular with the web API or C#.NET, I have given a lot of video about how to use Angular, how to create the project in Angular, how to do the CRUD operation, how to use the chart in Angular, how to basically bind different kind of grid, or how to use PrimeNG, HighChart, Chart.js, everything, almost everything. So kindly have a look on my playlist and you may find something useful. And whichever project is required to you could comment just your email ID on my video and I would be happy to provide you. So it's a kind of help. Every morning I get up and I check my YouTube channel and get all the comments. I pick up the email ID from there and send the code to particular person who is really needed for those codes. So thanks for watching this video. I'm happy to share the knowledge. If you are having suggestions for me, or if you are expecting any kind of video on any topic, please comment on my video. I will try to demonstrate that in my video with the theory, with the practical, or with any cross questions, and I will try to give you some interview tips on that particular question. So how you can represent your concept in front of interviewer, it is very important. Most of the time what happens is people go to interview. I have been taking interview for a long time, and I have seen the scenario where people come and they just explain theory, and it's going to be the long theory which is nowhere related to the asked question. So that should not happen. That gives bad impression. You should be the specific to the point and talk only about the question what has been asked rather than here and there. If you are trying to give the example, give the practical example what you have done in your current project, which is mentioned in your resume. In that way, it is going to be the impressive manner to represent your interview. And for many more things, if you are having any kind of education or how you can drive your interview, that also I can give you the tips. So let's say interviewer is asking some kind of question, you just explain his question, relate with your terminology, whatever exactly you know, in a very good manner. So if you know some any other related concept with the question asked, you try to bring some focus, emphasize on that particular word, so that it will prompt the interviewer to ask that particular thing. So that's the kind of trick which can take you to the right path by giving the interview. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel, enable notification, comment on my video, or watch my playlist. There may be many videos which will be useful for you. Thank you.